Yeah, thank you so much for saving it. You saved my baby girl. Thank you.
How do you say thank you to a hero?
I really don't feel like a hero. I'm just glad that, I could see her up and walking, and, she's okay.
Wednesday evening, Cassie Mader's car crashed along East River Road in Rush. Cassie, Megan Haas, and 3 other friends were inside. The car went up in flames just as David Simpson ran over and used his pocket knife to cut Megan out of her seatbelt while she was unconscious.
Thank you for saving my best friend.
No problem.
The happy reunion clouded in grief. This is the last photo the friends took that night. In the far left, 17-year-old David Greer and his friends walk along Charlotte Beach. Only hours later, he would die in that crash.
They say they're okay, but they're very traumatized.
There are no words to describe the loss of their friend David, but plenty to say to the man who risked his own life to save Megan's.
He's our unsung hero. For real, he is. Because if he wasn't there, my baby girl wouldn't be here today.
I saw the situation and I knew there was no way I could just sit back and watch.
As an extra thank you, Megan gave her hero a gift of gratitude, a pocket knife just like the one he used to save her. On it, an engraving.
What does it say?
David Simpson, forever thankful.
Cassie and Megan, along with the 2 other boys in the car, Nicholas Savino and Dakota Dibble, are expected to make a full recovery. David Greer's funeral is set for this coming Monday in Avon. His friends and classmates are now organizing fundraising efforts for his family. Reporting, Angela Hong, 13 WHAM News.